So Vivo's launched their X200 series in India, and we'll tell you all details about it. And it has two phones under this X200 series. That's Vivo X200 and Vivo X200 Pro. Well, talking about the features before that, let me tell you about the pricing. The Vivo X200 is priced at rupees 65,999, and this is for a 12GB and 256GB model. And if you talk about the Vivo 200 Pro, well, that starts at 94,999 for a 16GB and 512GB model. Well, to tell you more about the specification, the design and everything that's inside the X200 series, we'll show you the Zeiss magic. Come along. Starting with Vivo X200 Pro, this one stands out with 6.7 inches 2K quad curved AMOLED display and a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. This is equipped with 200 of megapixel Zeiss APO telephoto camera and a 50 megapixel Zeiss True Color main camera and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. To tell you that this one has a massive battery ever in a Vivo series, which is 6000 mAh battery and supports 90 watts of flash charge and 30 watts of wireless charging. Well, talking about the Vivo X200, this one offers slightly more compact 6.67 inches 2K AMOLED display and shares the same MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor as the Pro model. This one also features 50 megapixel VCS True Color main camera, a 15 megapixel Zeiss telephoto camera and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. This device is powered by a 5800 mAh battery with 90 watts of flash charge support. Out of the box, both smartphones will run on FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15, and they'll come with Google Gemini Assistant and offer several AI features like AI Note Assistant, AI Transcript Assistant and Circle to Search. Also, they'll have Vivo's proprietary AI features such as AI Erase, AI Photo Enhance, Shadow Removal, Album Search and Album Memories. Both the X200 Pro and X200 come with an IP68 and 69 rating. Like we told you, both are water and dust resistance. Well, we told you about the price. Once again, the X200 Pro is priced at 94,999 for 16GB and 512, wherein the Vivo X200 comes in 12GB 256, which costs about 65,999, and 16GB 512, which costs about 71,999. The X200 comes in two colors, the natural green as you can see and Cosmos black. Also to tell you, they'll be available starting December 19 and pre-booking starts from today itself, which is 12 December. There are a lot of offers that buy can fail, about 10% of cashback from select blanks, free extended warranty and exclusive design on upgrades and OTT app subscription. Yes, talking about the Vivo X series USP, well, it's all about the photography and the Zeiss lenses that are given it that gives a very true to life pictures.